Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Whirlpool washer F0E7 error in 2026. So the F0E7 error code commonly appears when clothes are accidentally left inside during the clean washer cycle. So in order to fix it, you just have to open the lid and completely remove all the items from the drum. Even small items like towels or socks can trigger this particular warning. Once it is empty, simply restart the cleaning cycle, and if after doing this the issue disappears, it means that the issue was caused by incorrect cycle use. But if in your case, if the issue still persists or if it is still there, you just have to do nothing but to just simply cancel the cycle and perform a full reset. For that, you just have to simply press the cancel button to stop the washer, then unplug it for about 5 minutes. This is going to reset the control board and it will also clear the temporary sensor confusion. Afterwards, you just have to plug the washer back in and restart the desired cycle. If the error clears, it means that a temporary electronic glitch was likely responsible for that. Now, sometimes a faulty lid lock or sensor connection can also confuse the cycle monitoring. So you just have to simply inspect the loose wiring or damaged latch components or incomplete lid closure. Secure any loose connections and then you can test it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.